You think this is relaxing? Your heart just screamed for help, and you didn't even hear it. That first puff feels smooth, but inside, your airways just froze. Within 10 seconds, 4,000 plus chemicals enter your blood, and the domino effect is already violent. Nicotine reaches your brain in 11 seconds, faster than an IV. It mimics acetylcholine, your focus chemical. Then it forces dopamine out. You feel alert, good, sharp, but here's the trap it. Your adrenal glands dump adrenaline and cortisol. Your heart rate spikes 30%. Blood pressure jumps. You think you're relaxing? Your body is preparing for a fight. This is not calm. They're already bleeding into themselves. Stay with me. Inside your lungs, millions of cilia, microscopic brooms that clean mucus and bacteria, they paralyze within 60 seconds. No cleaning, no protection, just tar glue. 10 minutes in, nicotine blocks insulin release. Your blood sugar spikes, then crashes hard. That hungry, shaky, irritable feeling? That's not withdrawal yet. That's metabolic whiplash. By 20 minutes, your blood vessels are still squeezed 20% narrower. Your heart is pumping against a smaller pipe. This is why smokers have heart attacks younger, not decades, minutes after each cigarette. 2 hours later, nicotine levels drop. Your brain panics. Your phone panics. It grew more receptors to catch every drop. Congratulations, you just unlocked the next cigarette craving. Let's go to 24 hours. One day later, your cilia wake up. They start pushing out all the tar and mucus they couldn't move before. That smoker's cough isn't damage, it's cleaning. Non-smokers don't cough like this because their lungs are never this dirty. Day 3, 90% of nicotine is gone. Your brain has fewer receptors now, but dopamine is still low. This is the worst day. You're day 5. Most people smoke again here, not because they want to, but because they think it's permanent. It's not. 2 weeks, blood circulation improves 50%. Walking is easier. Cilia are fully functional again. That weird mouth taste? Gone. Most people think forget how to heal. It was just waiting for you to stop poisonings at 1 month. 1 year without a cigarette, your heart attack risk drops 50% compared to a smoker. The same heart that was squeezing every 20 minutes, now it's relaxed. You didn't just quit smoking. You reversed cardiovascular aging. 10 years. Lung cancer risk falls to half that of a smoker. The cells you damaged? Most have been replaced. Not all damage enough does that your body no longer carries the smoker's label. Here's the truth smoking companies don't show you. One cigarette sets off a 24-hour war inside you. Paralyzed lungs, stolen oxygen, a brain that rewires itself to need poison just to feel normal. But here's the better truth. 72 hours after your last cigarette, nicotine is gone. Withdrawal peaks, then breaks. 2 weeks, blood flow normal. 1 year, heart risk hold grudges. It holds timelines, and it starts healing the second you stop. Every cigarette tells your body, get ready to fight. Every cigarette you skip tells your body, rest, heal, live. You don't need willpower. You need a reason. Mine was this. I wanted to write the cough. She didn't cry. She just breathed. If you smoke, your body is already in the domino effect. If you quit, that's a different domino effect. One starts with poison, one starts with a choice. Make the 72-hour bet on yourself. You'll win. I'll see you inside the next video.